We've tapped into your primitive urges to keep you spending what you don't have on things you don't need.
This is Hannah Montana. It's time for a back to school shopping.
The arms trade is one of the most corrupt trades in the world, fueling countless atrocities, conflict and poverty. A lot of the arms that Western governments have sold have gone into the hands of military dictatorships or corrupt governments.
No one was prepared for what in fact happened.
It rapidly became clear that Friedman's economic policies benefited the wealthy at the expense of the poor. It was calculated that a family trying to live on the average wage had to spend 74% of its income on bread. Items such as bus fares or milk became luxuries, and Pinochet got rid of free milk in school, a move that echoed the controversial policy of the young education minister in Britain, who would later become his friend.
With the chaos of street clashes, it was obvious that to reinforce their position, the hardliners would resort to violence.
This crisis is clearly understood by almost everyone as being the direct result of this particular ideology of deregulation and privatization.
The scale of the crisis offers the hope of change.
The shock doctrine as a strategy relies on us not knowing about it for it to work. And what I find most hopeful about the current economic crisis is that this tactic is getting tired, because that element of surprise is no longer there. We're on to them, and it's not working. We're becoming shock resistant.